Welcome. In front of me is the INFINIX Hot 12i, and today I will show you how you can import your contacts from the SIM card to the phone. So to get started, you will want to open up Contacts application. There we go. From here, tap on the settings icon and then import export contacts. Select allow. And we have import contacts. We have several different methods of importing contacts, but the one that interests me is this one where it says play. This is a SIM card, so you can see it by this icon. It shows you the tray number which the SIM card is in, so it could show 1 or 2, but for me it's on the second one. Right, let's click on that. Import contacts or copy contacts to. I'm gonna select phone. You can choose your Google account if you want to. And this will then display all the contacts that are on the SIM card. Now you can select all of them if you want to. So you can tap right here and then select all. Or you can individually select them or deselect them. From there, click on OK. And this will import all selected contacts, which you should be able to find in your contacts list now. So that is how you can import your contacts, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.